Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Moolukhia or mellow leaves. It's a very delicious meal and you have to try it. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you and let's cooking. In the season of Moolukhia, it's better to make it fresh and green. But you can cook it dry or frozen. And this is how it looks dry and frozen. I have here a half kilo of Moolukhia, green Moolukhia. I washed it well and clean it up and left it to dry. After it's dry, we're gonna put it on the food processor and chopped it up like you see in the video. But don't chop it too much. We want it like this. To cook the Moolukhia, we cooked it with chicken broth or meat broth. Today I'm gonna do it with chicken. I have here 3 drums, chicken drums. I'm gonna put it on a pot over the stove with 1.5 liters of water. After it starts boiling, take out the spoon that you see over it, then add the spices. Here I'm gonna add 1 small onion, 3 garlic cloves, 1 spoon of 7 spices, some cardamom, 2 leaves of laurel, and some salt. Put it over the chicken and leave it cooking for around 30 minutes. After it's done, take the chicken or the drums out of the broth and strain the broth like you see in the video. In a pot, put the Moolukhia on it then add the broth, the chicken broth over it. And if you see that the broth is not enough, add some water over it. Like I said before, I have here a half kilo. It's gonna need around 1.5 liters of water. Then bring 1 tomato, green one, cut it a little bit with a knife and put it on the Moolukhia. We do that to make a Moolukhia not too slim. Leave it on the stove until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, you're gonna see a foam over it. Take this foam out little by little until it stops showing. After that, add the chicken in the Moolukhia and leave it boiling for around 10 more minutes. After that, in a frying pan, put a little bit of oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil, and around 10 garlic cloves cut in small pieces. Fried it until it's gold. Then add it over the ملوخية. And this is our dish for today, Moolukhia. We eat ملوخية usually with rice and vermicelli. And if you wanna know how to make rice with vermicelli, I'm gonna leave the link below this video. My friends, this is all for today. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Some of other recipes in our channel you might find interesting.